Hello students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus, and today you are watching class 8 metric English language class, and these slides are prepared by Sir Farhan, language teacher of Dhaka Secondary School. So sir, our today's topic is second week of April, and in this our learning agenda is conjunction and kinds of conjunction. Okay, so here comes our topic, conjunction. And so basically what is conjunction? Actually it's one of the parts of speech aspect, and it is used to connect the words, phrases and sentences. Okay, in preposition we learn that preposition is also a connecting word, but the difference between conjunction and preposition is that in preposition we connect noun or pronoun relation with another part of the sentence, but in conjunction it connects noun with a noun, pronoun with a pronoun, okay, and adjective with an adjective, verb with a verb, sentence with a sentence, and phrase with a phrase. We cannot connect or link a noun with a verb or noun with a conjunction, or noun with a adjective. Okay students, this is the major difference between conjunction and prepositions. So here comes the definition of conjunctions. So it makes relationship between two different words of the same category. Okay, for example, Alex and Robin are playing together. So students, you can see and word is a conjunction connector which joins two nouns. Alex and Robin are the similar category or entity word, that's why they are connected with the word and. In the second, Alex plays well but Robin plays better than him. So but is also a word which shows what contrast, and it is also a connecting word or connector. In the third, you can see when he was sick, I went to see him. So when is also a connecting word. Okay. So students, now I move towards our kinds of conjunction. So basically we have four types of conjunction: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and compound conjunctions. Okay, so one by one I'll let you know about these conjunctions. So here comes coordinating conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? Those conjunctions which coordinate two similar words or phrases together. Okay, and they are used to connect of same category word. There we use coordinating conjunction. Okay, same category means we can use simple sentence with another simple sentence, a compound sentence within compound sentence. Okay students, and these are the coordinating conjunctions: basic verbs and, but, for, nor, or, so, and yet, and we can also in short forms can say fanboys. Okay, so example of coordinating conjunction: we went to the stadium and enjoyed the cricket match. Okay, so and word joins two verbs like went and enjoyed. Okay, so this is our coordinating conjunction. So coordinating conjunction's duty is to combine or connect similar or same category sentence, words or phrases. Okay students, so do you want an ice cream or chocolate? So chocolate and ice creams are nouns and they are combined or connected with the word or. When we want to select from two things anything, there we use this coordinating conjunction. Go away and never come back. So here and connect two verbs, main verbs together, and this is our coordinating conjunction. Yes, so here comes our next correlative conjunctions. Students, if you focus the word correlative, so co means to and relative means to relate. So in correlative conjunctions we use two words together in order to connect two aspects. Okay, so this is our correlative conjunctions. So here comes some common correlative conjunctions like not only but also. When we use not only, so there we have to use but also, because they come together, and when two conjunctions come together in the sentence, that becomes our correlative conjunctions: either or, neither nor, both and, not but, whether or. All these are correlative conjunctions. So now you can see example: neither Alex nor Robin can play baseball. So neither Alex and Robin are nouns, and they are combined with two conjunctions, that becomes our correlative conjunction. They always comes together, that's why they are called correlative conjunctions. I want both ice cream and chocolates. When we have two things and we want to take both of them, there we use both and conjunctions. So he had not only the ice cream but also the chocolates. Okay students, so here comes our subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunction is what? Such conjunction in which we join or connect two different categories sentence together. Like we have categories of words, like some words are main verb. When we use main verb and in the sentence, and in the contrast we use another sentence, but that depends on the other sentence or clause to fulfill the meaning, that becomes our subordinate. Okay, so subordinate means of the lower class. So in compound sentence we combine two sentences of same category, but in complex sentence we use subordinating conjunctions in order to complete the sentence. But in subordinating conjunctions, the conjunction used and after that we have the phrase or clause that is inferior, that is of lower quality, that depends on the other sentence or clause to fulfill that meaning. So subordinating conjunctions combine dependent clause to another clause. Okay students, to independent clause. So most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are after, how, then, when. All these are subordinating conjunctions. They comes before subordinating clause, and that connects with another part of the clause, that is our main clause or principal clause, or we can also say independent clause, to complete the meaning. For example, before we left home, I had my breakfast. So before is our subordinating conjunction which comes before dependent clause, we left home. So if we use before we left home, it is incomplete and it does not give its complete meaning. But if we see I had my breakfast, so it gives you complete meaning. So it is independent clause. So dependent clause, in dependent clause we use subordinating conjunction. In the second example, provided they come, we can start class Tuesday. So it is also provided is also our coordinating conjunctions. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. So I went to the store is also our subordinating conjunctions. In the fourth, even though the weather was horrible, they still went outside. So even though is also our subordinating conjunction which comes in subordinating clause, that is our dependent clause. Okay, so now compound conjunctions. Actually when two or more than two conjunction words come together and combine phrases, sentences together, that becomes our compound conjunctions. Okay, and the most common compound conjunctions are in order that, as if, even if, as soon as, so that, on the condition that, as well as, provided that, is as much as, with the aim that, in order that, to extend that. All these are compound conjunctions. Here you can see student example: Robert walks as if he were a lame. So as if is used for imaginary. When we combine two clauses together and one clause shows what imaginary clause, that for that imaginary sentence we use as if, So we went outside as soon as it started to rain. So as soon as is used for time. So here it is used as a compound conjunctions. So she is reading the book so that he may learn his lesson. So that is also shows what? Consequence. Okay. So for consequence we use so that, and it plays the role of conjunction, and they are two words, that's why it becomes compound conjunctions. Okay students, I hope you got the idea regarding compound conjunctions and all the parts of conjunctions and what is conjunction. Okay, thank you so much.